In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sender in Moosend. Adding a sender is a small setup step that makes a big difference. It controls what recipients see in the From field and ensures your emails come from an address you own and can verify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a verified sender ready to use in your campaigns. First, log into your Moosend account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation bar. Click on More, then choose Settings. This takes you to the main area where you manage account-level configuration. On the left-hand side, find and select Senders. This page lists all the email addresses that are allowed to send from your account, along with their verification status. To add a new one, click Add New, sometimes labeled Add New Sender. A dialog will open asking for two details. The first is the name. This is what appears as your From name in the inbox, so pick something clear and recognizable. Many brands use their company name, or a friendly combination like Company Name Newsletter, to set expectations. The second field is the email address. This must be an address you have access to because Moosend will send a confirmation message to it. For best deliverability, use a branded email on a domain you control, rather than a free mailbox. Also consider whether you want replies. If you do, avoid no-reply style addresses so subscribers can reach you. After you've entered the name and email address, click Save or Save Sender. Moosend immediately sends a confirmation email to the address you just added. Head to that inbox, open the message, and click the confirmation link inside. If you don't see the email within a couple of minutes, check your spam, junk, or promotions folders, and make sure your mailbox isn't filtering automated messages. Opening and clicking from a desktop browser can sometimes be more reliable than a mobile mail app. Once you've clicked the confirmation link, return to Moosend and open the sender's page again. You should now see your new sender listed as verified. If it still shows as pending, give it a moment and refresh the page. Verified means you can safely select this sender for your campaigns and automations. That's the whole process. As a final tip, if you plan to send at scale, consider authenticating your domain in Moosend settings later with SPF and DKIM for stronger deliverability and branding. But for now, your new sender is added, confirmed, and ready to use.